So here we have some Glowforge Proofgrade material, and as you see, it already has the transfer tape on top. We're going to recreate this doing it with our own transfer tape. So I'm just going to take the transfer tape and roll it out, and I'm going to lay my wood on top of it, and I'm just going to smooth it out as much as I can. And I'm just going to take a sharp object, and in this situation it's going to be a pair of scissors, and I'm just going to scrape or outline the wood with the scissors to actually get a clean cut, and peel the tape away, and it should be pretty much seamless. So I'm going to flip it over at that point and repeat the process. And if I do happen to get any bubbles, the transfer tape is really easy to just lift back up and reposition to smooth out the bubbles. But if you want to save some money, it is going to take a little bit of time to do it, but you will be in control of the cost, and you'll be able to add the tape to other materials like cardboard and some acrylics and plastics and leathers if you want some clean cuts done on your wood. So here you are.